Why are there not more people talking about World Nature Conservation Day? From lush forests to sparkling oceans, our planet needs us, and we need our planet. Every tree we plant, every piece of plastic we recycle, and every drop of water we save makes a huge difference. It's the small actions that add up to big changes. You and I can be a hero for nature. Let us teach our children about the importance of conservation. Go digital instead of printing things on paper. Let us join local cleanup events. Reduce our carbon footprint. Watch a documentary, such as The Blue Planet, shut off lights when leaving a room, or simply share your nature conservation ideas and thoughts on social media by tagging #World Nature Conservation Day. Remember, we're all in this together. Let's make every day World Nature Conservation Day.